If your download folders or any folders on your PC looks like a crime scene, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to organize every single file on your PC in literally one click. No paid software, no complicated setup, and it works both on Windows 10 and 11. Stay with me because by the end of this video, your folder will never be messy again. So welcome back to Michael's Digital World. Today we'll be solving one of the most annoying problems every Windows user faces: messy, disorganized file. You download something, save a document, screenshot something, and before you know it, your folder looks something like this. If this sounds familiar, this method will help you fix all of this. So the reason most people's files are disorganized is simple. Windows doesn't automatically sort when you save. Everything lands in the same folder, and over time it becomes impossible to find anything. The fix is a simple script that does the sorting for you automatically. Now let's go to setup. Now what you want to do is open your notepad. I'm going to be leaving the script in the description to this video. Once here, you want to paste this code in the notepad. After pasting, you want to click on File, and then you want to come here and click on Save As. Now in this section here, you want to title it smartfilesorter.bat, and then you want to click on Save As Type, and then select all files. You can save it in the desktop, and then click on Save. This will save it to your desktop. You can go ahead and close this now. And then what you want to do next is open the folder that is messy. I'm going to open this folder, and then I'm going to drag this into the folder. You can also copy and paste. All you need to do now is double click on it, and it will sort all the files in the folder for you into videos, order, music, image, and document. So when you open video, you see all your videos in this section. So let me know in the comment section if this works for you and if you find this video helpful. You can support this channel by liking and sharing this video, subscribing to this channel, and having the post notification turned on.